anything, you can hit 99 pounds. Master code 7120 and then start. And then that light will start blinking right here to say that you're in programming mode. Okay?
Left light, okay.
Yeah, the green one. Yellow, green. Whatever it is. Okay. And then if you want to add a user over here.
Oh, because we're going to have people give people a code, right?
Yeah, exactly. So you enter the location. Right now, the master code is 1. Okay, so you have 1 there. So the next one would be 2. There's already a 2 in there, but we can delete that if you want. And then, so you put in 3 right now.
Would be the
because
next
we're
one?
at 3.
Because we have a 1 and a 2 already?
Already, exactly.
All right.
So then you would do 3. Program mode. Does it time out of programming mode? It does? Alright. So if you wait too long and explain things, it'll shut that out, apparently.
That's a good thing.
Yeah, it's good. So you do location, 3, and then after you put in 3, the next one's 4.
So the location is the number.
It keeps moving. Every time you enter a new number, it goes up 1. Okay.
So will it give me a new number? Like here you put...
That's your master code.
So what number will I get to put another?
You're going to put in whatever you want.
Whatever I want.
Yeah, I'm showing you how to enter anything. 4 digits,
okay.
Whatever you want. Exactly.
4 digits.
Type code. So see, run. Alright. Pick a code. Name a code.
1414.
Okay. 1, 4, 1, 4, then the star, and again 1, 4, 1, 4, then the star, and that's done.
So you enter it twice?
You enter it twice and hit star after each one. And then if you hit star again now, so right now you're in programming mode as long as the light keeps flashing. And to leave it, you could hit star again and shut off, and we're out of programming mode. Wasn't happy about that part.
Wow.
What did he do?
Okay. So, sorry. Simply, programming mode, 99 pound, master code, 7120, star, yellow LED, flashes to tell you. Choose your position, 2 through whatever it is you want to do. Shouldn't have more than 5 codes, depending on what you want. So position number 3, 3 pound, whatever code you choose, 1414, 1414 star. Confirm that code again, 1414 star. Star one more time, exits programming mode. Now you can test your code, 1414 star, and it unlocks.
Here, click when it unlocks.
Okay.
All you do is pull the door.
Okay.
I'm handling. How do you feel about that?
So, 99 pound to enter it.
Okay,
right?
start programming mode.
Start programming, and then 7120 for the master code, and then hit star.
Exactly.
After that, and then I can pick a location, 1
Correct.
or 2 or 3.
Correct. You can pick
No.
whatever yes.
Yeah.
So two
Up to 5.
2
Yeah.
through, no, I will tell you how many exactly. you have a total of 120 codes. 120 users, I'm sorry.
120.
So
Okay.
number 2 through 120. Cleaning people can have one, maintenance people can have one, renters can have one, staff can have one. You need to realize what you're putting in there. If you're putting in cleaners in position number 2, you need to make like an Excel spreadsheet. Position number 2, cleaners, code 4, 5, 6, 7. Position number 3, maintenance 7, 8, 9, 10, whatever it may be. Because what happens is if a maintenance person leaves or a cleaner leaves, you need to realize which position you're deleting. To delete a code, very simply, you can either A, overwrite the code, meaning you just go ahead and overwrite code number 4 to 1212, or you can delete code number 4, and by that you go into programming mode, 99 pound, same thing, 7120 star, you're in programming mode. Position number 3, so we're going to go 3 pound. So when we're deleting it now, you just basically skip the step of entering your 4-digit combination. You go straight to pressing the star, confirm it again, star, confirm it again, and we're exiting programming mode by star the 3rd time.
So you just don't put the new code in.
You just don't put a code in, and that deleted position number 3, 1414, star, it doesn't work. 1515, it still works if you can put that in position number 4.
Okay.
You can stay in programming mode if you want to and program multiple codes. Delete multiple codes, whatever you would like to do. If you're programming 10 codes, do it all at once.
Put it in a spreadsheet.
Yep.
Makes sense.
Yeah. This is for you guys. You guys
Thank
are going to
you.
hold on to this.
Okay.
It's got some numbers on there. 1414 has gone off. It's at least 7120 is master code.
Okay.
So,
And he's got it recorded, so.
wonderful. I will get you a business card before we get out of here. If you have any questions, I'll let you know about that as soon as I get that business card.
Okay, great.
Okay.
Thank you.
Cool.
Roll credits.
So,